everyone, this is Gracie from the Dig team. Welcome back to video 10 of the Dig Data tutorial series. In the last video, we made a map on ArcMaps Online together, and in this video I'm going to show you how to save it and export it into various formats so that you can use it in your final product. So the first thing we want to do is make sure that we have saved the map. So I have not done that yet, it's still called Untitled Map. And you're going to want to scroll to this little folder icon on the left-hand side where there should be a little blue dot. And then I'm going to click that and click Save As. I will add my title, say City, Weather Stations, and Urban Heat Islands. I'm going to save it in my folder. If I were publishing this for real, I would want to assign categories based on what I'm mapping, but for now I'm going to leave these blank. Then I'm going to click the blue Save button. Great. If that occurs successfully, you'll get a notification in the bottom of your map that says it has successfully been saved. Now, to export the map, I will go back to this left-hand toolbar, click the Share Map button, and then I will decide what sharing level I want. So if I just want to publish it for myself so that I can use it in another project of my own, I would leave it as owner. You could also set it to organization. So for example, for me, I would publish it to the UCSC organization, and then anyone else affiliated with UCSC could use my map. If you want everyone to be able to use it, or you're working with someone at a different organization and want them to be able to use it, you can click everyone. And then, depending on what you choose, you can click Save. When you do save it, you'll get this notification that everything is okay, and then you can click Update Sharing. So you can always publish your map on ArcMaps Online, but let's say, for example, you wanted to save it as a PDF or as an image. To do that, you would click the Print button in the left-hand toolbar. And then in the Print Layout tab, you can change the letter, landscape format, and the file format. And then if you click on Advanced Options, you can click Include Legend, which we want. And then you can also click Include the North arrow. And so that will be added once we click Export. And so you can zoom around and play around with how you want to crop your map here. And once you're happy with that, you can click Export. And then it will all go to your Exports tab in the Print section. So it'll take a second to generate the report, and then once that's done, you'll have a PDF of your map. So I'm going to click this and open it in a new window. Wait for it to load. And now we can see that I have this nicely published map where it says City, Weather Stations, and Urban Heat Islands. We have our legend here, and then we have our north arrow and our scale. Now going back to ArcMaps Online, let's say, for example, you want to have this in an interactive app or a story map. You can also do that so long as it is published in your account. So I'm going to open a new story map, for example, just to show you guys how to add this map to a story map. So from this little drop-down app icon, I can click on GIS Story Maps. It'll show me some ones that I've already made, and I want to make a new one. So I'm going to click the Create Story, Start from Scratch. Story's title, I will leave all of this blank for now, and then what I'm going to do is click the plus button, and in the media section, I'm going to click on Map. And here it shows me all the ones that I've made that I have in my account. And so what I want to do is add this city weather station and urban heat island map. So I'm going to click it. And here's where we can adjust the map appearance. So for example, I can turn off the urban heat island, turn on the bioclimate, really whatever I want. For this purpose, I'm just going to leave only the city weather station data on. You also have the option to edit it again, and that will take you back to the map viewer. In the Options tab, you can allow for map navigation, so that will allow people who use your StoryMap to scroll and move the map around. Then we'll also want to add in our legend, and so that will add it as a little pop-up here where you can click the legend button and it will reveal our color ramp scale. Everything else will leave the same, and then to actually add it to your map, we're going to click Save. And now we have our nice map embedded in our story map, where we can zoom around, click on things, learn more about the data points, and as always, reveal the legend. So that concludes the ArcGIS portion of this tutorial, and also the tutorial series in general. So thank you all for joining me on this tutorial. I hope they were helpful, and I hope that you all have a lot of fun implementing Dig in your courses and making your own projects. Thank you.